Hey everyone. Yeah, right now I'm still at Alexandra Palace, and right now I'm just a little deeper in the park, just behind some beautiful trees. Something I really want to talk about is positivity. I want to talk to you guys about how to stay so positive in what can sometimes feel like a negative world. This is something that I still struggle with, but I consciously make an effort to really work on. So, for example, just here's a quick example. Sometimes, if I've had quite a stressful day, maybe there's been a number of things that have just went wrong, things haven't gone my way, I think about, okay, first thing I just look at the situation and I try and think, will this affect me in the next year? Probably not. Will this affect me in the next few years? Probably not. Will this affect the rest of my life? No. So this is something that's definitely easier said than done, but I try and look at perspective. I try and look at the bigger picture, and I think, wow, and this can, sometimes I get myself in a little bit of a dark place because I could think, oh wow, we are so tiny, we're so small, I'm just an ant. I'm just an ant on this planet that we call Earth, and really my issue, my problem, it doesn't matter in the big scheme of things. And I know you can find yourself maybe going down a bad path if you're thinking, oh, nothing, well then nothing matters. Well, no, I don't think nothing matters, but I think when I'm looking at something that can be seen as quite negative, I think, well, really, this probably doesn't matter too much. So to be more concrete with an example, let's say I was late for work. I was late signing on to online teaching. I was late for work, I missed the class. Then I realized, oh no, I forgot to call back my friend the other day, and also someone was angry with me as well. Well, I could think, oh my god, everything is happening to me, or just think about, well, you know, it's unfortunate all these things happen at once, but how can I change it? How can I make things better? How can I change my perspective? How can I make myself, how can I be gentle with myself to make myself feel better? And that's something I really wanted to talk about, because I think sometimes we are so critical and we don't give ourselves a break, but it is so important to do that. It is so important to just remember you're your own best friend. At the end of the day, you have yourself, and of course you have the people, you have your family, you have your friends, you have people who love you, but really you need to find that self-love. You need to find that inner love within yourself and think, I have me, and I am my best friend. So if you do find yourself going down this really negative path, think about perspective, think about being easier on yourself, and think about, will this matter? Will this matter? Maybe not even in the next year. Will I think about this in the next few weeks, in the next few days? Probably not. There are some situations which, of course, it can be a little more complicated, and you might think to yourself, well, I'm having a really difficult time, but the most important thing is, think about perspective. You are not perfect, and we are all together, all of us on this earth, just trying to get by. We're just trying to get by, to do our best, to work our hardest, to be a good friend, to be a good person, and it's not always easy, but I just wanted to say that you're doing great and people care about you, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.